Welcome to Art of Seducing a Man, 5 powerful tips. Whether you're single and ready to mingle, or looking to add some spark to your dating life, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the secrets of attraction and how you can become an irresistible force in the dating world. Let's get started. Tip 1. Confidence. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Confidence is your secret weapon. Own your strengths, embrace your quirks, and let your personality shine. Tip 2. Understand body language. A smile, a glance, the way you walk and talk. These nonverbal cues speak volumes. Master the art of body language and watch the magic happen. Tip 3. Stimulate his mind. Great conversations can be incredibly seductive. Share your interests, listen to his stories, and don't shy away from a little witty banter. Tip 4. Flirt with finesse. Flirting is an art. It's about subtlety and charm, a light touch, a playful tease, a compliment. These are your tools. Use them wisely. Tip 5. Embrace mystery. Leave a little to the imagination. Mystery stirs curiosity and can be incredibly alluring. Let him discover the layers of your fascinating personality over time. And there you have it, ladies. 5 powerful tips for mastering the art of seducing a man. Remember, the key to successful dating is being your authentic self and enjoying the journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dating tips and tricks. See you next time on Easy Mind Therapy.